Tell yourself you're glory bound, and never mind your needless moaning. Remember how you come into town. Not a comb, nor a hammer, nor a feather, nor a fight, nor a hoe, nor a spanner, nor a fiddle, nor a fife. Not a hand on your shoulder in a bitter and a biting cold. You could be out in the street and on your own, just like another rolling stone. Don't let your heart get weary, don't let your lip go down. Pander to the bright and cheery, make the optimistic sound. And when you feel the wind getting colder, remember how you come into town. Not a comb, not a hammer, nor a feather, nor a fight, nor a hoe, nor a spanner, nor a fiddle, nor a fife. Not a hand on your shoulder in a bitter and a biting cold. You could be out in the street and on your own, just like another rolling stone. Don't let your tent blow over, don't let your lights go down. And recognize the rootless rover, try to make a joyful sound. And when you feel the best bit's over, remember how you come into town. Not a comb, not a hammer, nor a feather, nor a fight, not a comb.